sound of the new MT-09 engine has been designed following Jin-Ki Kano's philosophy: stimulate riders' senses and make them feel one with the bike. First of all, the sound has been amplified with an engineering process that aims to reduce background noise, cutting down on a micron scale the thickness of the gear teeth and more, to let the new CP3 engine roar. Then, the team's work turned to expressing a sense of torque through the exhaust. The answer they found was an all-new 1.5-chambered muffler design, with the tailpipes made left-right symmetrical as they exit the muffler body. The sound produced by this design is carried to the rider, enveloping them in the MT-09's grin-inducing exhaust sound. But the challenge wasn't over yet. After a series of tests for the intake ducts, the team came across a sketch drawn by the designer. It was unlike anything they had seen before, with 3 intake ducts lining the side of the machine. For the team leader, the sketch instantly brought to mind a pipe organ and triggered their eureka moment. That's how a long and meticulous experimentation to find the perfect combination between number of ducts, their lengths, diameters and more was started. Prototype after prototype, the engineers' team produced over 50 different variations. It was a long process, going through the cycle of test ride and adjust and test ride. They eventually arrived at a design with 3 intake ducts of differing lengths and diameters. The difference between the ducts is what created a sound that carries into the high rev range, while still delivering linear response to throttle action. Now, the unfiltered power of the bike can be heard straight from the soul of the new MT-09. This dark oral adrenaline provides a riding experience like never before, with a torquey exhaust note at low RPM and an intake sound amplifying the sense of acceleration as revs build toward the red line. The sound is perfect and unique at every phase of the ride. Thanks to the new 890cc CP3 engine, the voice of the MT-09 makes itself known and it reaches the rider's heart and ears loud and clear.